Hi and welcome. I'm trying to learn etymology, today retain, and after we've done that we're going to do median plane training, and if you participate in the median plane training, that's your own risk. Etymology 1. Well, not that too. Okay. From late Middle English retain, to continue, to keep, retain, to continue, to possess, to contain, to draw back, retire, to hold back, restrain, to keep in mind, remember, to take back, reposes, to appoint, to engage in one's service, employ, hire. In other forms, from Anglo-Norman, retenir, Middle French, retenir, and Old French, retenir, to keep back, retain, to keep, maintain, preserve, and so on. Modern French, retenir, from vulgar Latin, retenir, from Latin retenere, the present active infinitive of retenir, to keep or hold back, detain, retain, to keep, engage, Sense 1.0, to declare a sin not forgiven, is derived from John 20:23 in the Bible in late Latin, quorum retinuritis retenta sunt, and in Koine Greek, which I can't read, the Greek letters. Okay. So first of all, it means to continue to possess, to hold. Retain. It comes from Middle English retainen, and from Anglo-Norman retenir, from Middle French retenir, or Old French retenir. Okay, Anglo-Norman retenir. And that comes from Latin retinere, to hold, to keep, to hold fast, to keep, to hold in check, stop, to hold fast, maintain, to keep in mind, remember. Compare late Latin retineo, to keep engaged in one's service. From re, prefix again, and grasp, hold, to hold fast. Yes, the basic question is, the question might be here for the etymology, but also for the meaning of the word. Does it know keeping it, or does it getting it back? Does it mean getting it back? Because reteneo means to get again back. Okay, in the Bible, that's John 20:13, to declare a sin not forgiven. Quorum retinuritis retenta sunt. Okay, verb. Often followed by from, to hold back, to check, to prevent, to restrain, to stop. To hold back instead of allowing them to advance to the next. Okay, to retain someone in education. Okay, of a thing to hold or keep inside. In school, it's not in education. Of a thing to hold or keep inside, to contain. Okay, to hold back something, a substance. Or to hold secure, to prevent from becoming detached or separated. Retain something from and preventing it from becoming detached to something. To keep something in control or possession. To continue having. To keep something in mind. To keep something in place instead of removing it. To engage or hire temporarily. To employ someone, especially a lawyer, by paying a retainer fee on pays to reserve another person's time for services, specifically to engage a barrister by making an initial payment to secure their services if needed. Okay, it can mean, as a sixth meaning, to employ, specifically a lawyer, by paying a retainer. That is a fee one pays to reserve another person's time for services. To keep in one's pay or service. To keep as a dependent or follower. To control or restrain. To exercise self-control over oneself. To keep someone in custody. Prevent someone from leaving. And to declare sin not forgiven. In Christianity, to declare a sin not forgiven. Antonym, remit, in Christianity. And also, to keep in control or possession, to continue having. To have the ability to keep something in the mind, to use memory, of a body to keep something in, or to refrain from doing something. That is obsolete, to refrain from doing something. To be a dependent or follower to continue to remain. Okay. Etymology 2. From Middle English retain, possession of sum of money. For verb, see etymology 1. And then also an act of holding or keeping something in possession or retention. Synonym of a retinue, a group of attendants or servants. Okay, in the next video we come back and make a presentation. It will be something like, it means to keep on holding something. Why then re-attain and not just attain some? Attain was to get it. Retain, or to keep or to prevent someone from leaving, someone or something from leaving. That seems to be the two most. To keep something and hold, or to keep something, hold something, for example, in mind, a thing or a thought in mind, and to prevent someone or something from leaving. It comes from Middle English retain, and that from Anglo-Norman, Middle French and Old French retenir, or retine, and that comes from Latin retineo. Okay, that was etymology. If you are here for etymology, you can go directly to the next part, where we will try to make a little explanation and try to tell other people what we did in 6 minutes, what the word means. If you are here for media and plane training, then you're right, we're doing that right now. But if you participate, we'll sit on this. We'll bring one leg up and pointing our foot down. Now the arm up and point the foot down. And we have relaxing right apart, we're bringing them down. And breathe out. In. Out. We're going to cross the legs. Out. Now bring one leg up. Right angle with the leg, flex foot, even on hips all up with the leg, and the pressing on the top against the knee. Little bend in the elbow. And now press from the inside. Same setup, even light hips, tall off the back, little bend in the elbow. And now press with the knee up to the side. And the other leg. Up with the leg, right angle with the leg, flex foot, even light hips, tall off the back, and pressing from the top against the knee, and making a little bend in the elbow. And we press from the inside. And now with the knee up and to the side. And the next exercise, the heavy swing of the last one. Leg up, breathe in. And press with the hand against the outside of the knee, and we're opening slowly. And close again slowly. Open again slowly. And close again slowly. And one last time. And close again slowly. And now the other leg up, and point from the outside against the leg, and up slowly. And close again slowly. And the last time. And close slowly. And closing exercise, legs wide apart. This one again. Bend. And out. In. Out. And breathe in, cross the legs. and out. And that was the meaning of lynching. I thank you very much, and until next time.